Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will learn about new rule in Excel. Select the entire list. Select New Rule from Conditional Formatting. Select Use a formula from the list of the rules. Now write a formula in the list. Enter equals to and select first cell from the list. Remove $sign from tab. Enter equals and now select the cell in which we will write the values. Select Format for highlighting the rule. Now write any name here from the list and see the result. It will automatically get highlighted when we write name. Write any name from the list and it will highlight in the list. In this way, we can highlight one column from the list by using new rule. Now we will see how to highlight entire column. Select the list and go to New Rule. Select first cell from the list as we have done earlier. Remove $sign between the cell number. Enter equals and select the destination cell. Select Format for the rule. Now write name in the list and see the result. Entire column is getting highlight when we write name. Change the name in the destination cell and see the result. In this way, we can use a new rule to highlight a cell or entire column in Excel. We will see the other rules in Excel in our upcoming videos. Subscribe to our channel Excel for Tally. Watch our other videos for Excel and Tally. Thank you for watching video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.